It's the idea behind everything we do. That a more productive environment doesn't require drastic change. It's the idea that better built tools and smarter systems can be easy to use, and that savings can be realized from setup to the finishing pass.
It's about process repeatability and ease of use, that you can put a tool into the operation and from the first time that you use it, the program speeds and feeds work. You don't have a lot of trial and error cutting. And in the end, you're going to spend more trying to get a low-cost tool working to the same level as a higher-cost tool. And in the end, you've really saved nothing.
People looking to cut their cutting times, to run faster, to make less adjustments at the spindle, switch to Big Kaiser because they provide the results that allow them to concentrate their efforts elsewhere.
Experience the economy of quality.